Now I continue the story The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond. In the previous video, I had explained the text. In the previous part of the story, we had learned that in the story there are three characters Somi, Anil, and Rusty. All the three characters were studying in a school. While going backwards from school to home, Rusty, under the foothills in a forest, had discovered a pool. All the three friends gave that pool a name as Rusty's Pool. They decide to meet at that pool after 10 years' time on a fixed date. Now I continue the text uh, that is found on the first page, and this is the last paragraph of the story in the book Prose and Fiction prescribed for BA Part 3rd, Paper 2nd of Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner. The text is: sliding down a rock face into a small ravine, I found a stream running over a bed of shingle. Sliding down a rock face means rock, into a small ravine, coming down a rock into a small ravine. Ravine means deep narrow valley. Coming down from the rock to a deep narrow valley, I found a stream. Rusty found a stream. Stream means brook, running over a bed of shingle. That brook or the small river was running over a bed of shingle. Shingle means small pebbles. So the water was running as a river, as a small river over a bed of shingle means over the small pebbles. Water trickled down from the hillside, from amongst ferns and grasses and wild primroses. The water of the pool trickled down means it oozed down or it came slowly from the hillside, from amongst ferns. It came down from the ferns. Ferns means green leaved, flowerless plants and grasses. It came down from the green leaved, flowerless plants and grasses and wild primroses. Primroses, a kind of flower. The rocks beside the stream were smooth. The rocks beside the stream were smooth, and some of them were grey and some yellow. The rocks beside the stream or the pool were smooth, or some of them were grey and of yellow color. A small waterfall came down the rocks and formed a deep, round pool of apple green water. A small waterfall from the hillside came down. It came down the rocks and it formed a deep round pool of apple colored green water.